Amiso Thwango Baba wa Kangeso Ohangla fighters, my friend, this week on 19th, that will be on Thursday. The big artist, none other than Amiso Thwango Baba wa Kangeso Ohangla fighters, will be releasing 3 songs. 1, Mosna Sangi. 2nd, Wife Material. 3rd, Eramid Tolit. Konsomini yudo jagaring ematindo ke tiriembo ye kao riembo kanyakla ye mondi mos nasange. Konsomini yudo jachode ematindo ke tichodo ye kao chodo kanyakla ye mondi mos nasange. Konsotindi yudo jagari ematindo ke tiriembo ye kao riembo kanyakla ye mondi mos nasange. To get these songs, please visit YouTube channel of Amiso Thwango Baba wa Kangeso Ohangla fighters. These are wonderful songs. Wonderful songs. The king of message, Amiso himself, Baba wa Kangeso Ohangla fighters. Please subscribe and be tuned to his YouTube channel on Thursday, 19th May 2022. Those wonderful songs will be dropped there. They have been done with none other than Engineer Wuod and Awiko main list Jakabunde, Pale Wema Record Kwambao. Those are 2 big producers in the industry of Ohangla. Tukutane pale.